friends, it's me Adityan. Today we are going to start our new lesson, which is fractions. So what do you mean by fractions? Yes, fractions are a part of a whole. Let me say this with an example. Suppose you have a pizza and you cut it into 4 slices. And you take 1 slice for yourself. So how can you represent it? There must be a way. So I am going to represent it now. I represented it by writing 1/4. This is called a fraction. Okay, this is called a fraction. Now, if I put this slice back to the pizza, the pizza will become a whole because the pizza has all its parts, right? So, this is called a fraction. Now, you might be wondering, what are these two numbers called, right? Well, let me tell you. This is called the numerator and this is called the denominator. What? This is called the numerator and this is called the denominator. Now, there are different kinds of fractions and I am going to teach you how to do those fractions. Okay, now let's move on to that. Okay, now I am going to tell about the different kinds of fractions. If they are like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions and equivalent fractions. Now first we are going to study about like fractions. Now I am going to write a set of fractions over here. See this. Now, do you see these set of fractions? These are called like fractions. Why? Because the denominators of these fractions are all same. Now, let me show you another example. Now do you see these set of fractions? They are called unlike fractions. Why? Because the denominators are not of the same number, right? So these are so called unlike fractions.